What's good, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyra, your favorite hype girl. Hey, what's up? Hello. So as you can tell by the title, this is a revamp video. I want to really put myself all in. I'm ready to really get my life in order. Basically, I'm tired of being lazy and just being mad at myself for procrastinating and then being stressed for doing that. So you know what, we're just gonna make things efficient. So I'm bringing you guys along today just to properly prepare myself for Monday, and I'm ready to hit it hard. I'm writing out my workouts for the week, getting my fits ready, all this kind of stuff, because I also want to share that with you guys on here too. And then I'm going to the store. I need to start meal prepping. I need to stop being lazy when it comes to that, because I'm only harming myself essentially when I'm not eating properly to fuel my body, especially through the heat and all this fun stuff. I'm trying to stay hydrated and all this, but this is a revamp video, so I just thought it would be fun to share it with you guys, to bring you guys along with me. And if you guys wanted to revamp with me, let's do it. I'm heading to the gas station, like I said, setting our intentions correctly. So I'm gonna get gas, make sure my car has gas in it for next week, so it's like one less thing I have to do Monday. Yeah, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna grab a quick little bite out because I'm hungry and we need to go to a couple of grocery stores so I can have, yeah, that's really wonky. So I can have my fruit and my food for the week. And we might even be meal prepping today. I don't know if I'm feeling that energetic or feel like doing all of that, but I guess you guys will find out. So, I don't know. Let's get it. I'm excited. I'm excited to have you guys here. And I don't need the receipt. Thank you. Thank you. We out. Just a little energy to get me through this store shop. So, I just love when the fries slap. Oh my god, this lighting is horrible. There we go.
Oh, you nasty.
I have my list. I plan on stopping. I'm at Price Chopper right now, and I plan on stopping at Price Chopper, and if I can't find what I need here, just go right down the road to Constantino's and then over to Walmart, and that's pretty much a big circle for me. So in here, I'm gonna try to find, last time I found really good cantaloupe at Constantino's, so I'm gonna keep that in mind, or Constantino's, I always say it wrong, but I know like Price Chopper, Constantino's is like the same thing. But so cantaloupe, strawberries, I'll see what their bananas look like in here, because I actually really like the bananas from Walmart or Aldi even. And then let's see, I am gonna look and see what kind of shrimp they have in here, as well as any type of filled noodles. And then like my onions, but literally everything else is at Walmart. So turkey, bacon, chicken, cream of chicken. So this is a good little grocery list. So I'm gonna finish my french fries, and I got a Coke as well, which I never do. Like, I do like soda, don't get me wrong, but I usually try to stay away from the dark ones in particular, because I just feel like my teeth are extra gross with those. But like, whatever. I like some soda, period. I'm better than what I used to be, and that's all that used to matter, because I literally would go through like I wouldn't say 3, but probably 2 solid 2 liters of root beer a week, like a 5-day week when I was in college. So drinking a soda, I'm not justifying it because I really don't care. I don't care what y'all think either, but drinking a soda like once or twice a week, not gonna kill me. It makes me stronger. I'm weak. I'm still in Price Chopper. I have like a pretty full basket just of like my produce and stuff. Pretty much found the things that I wanted to, and I love that little 5 picks for $9.99. It's a really good deal. However, I can't seem to find... Anyways, I'm looking for some pasta that's like already filled with stuff, so like ravioli type pasta. I don't know if you find it in their freezer section or where, but I also just see this pearl couscous. I don't know, I literally have been searching all over this store but no such luck, and y'all know I'm slow, so anyway, I'm gonna keep looking and then we're gonna head out. Tyra vlogging with her left hand. Actually, you guys know I'm ambidextrous. Is that how you say that word? Yeah, fun fact. I have this little cute little area and in front of my home and our apartment, and I wanted to put some flowers in front, and I think I just found some flowers. So petunias. I'm gonna have to call my grandpa. Let me see. These are super cheap. And these are so cute. I'd much rather have these geraniums. Oh my gosh. Okay, a geranium can tolerate heat better than most plant species. Okay, let's get a basket and let's get some plants. Yes. But these are what I'm going for, like these. Oh my gosh, you can't even see them. These are so pretty. So I'm gonna go for this red one here, probably that one, and a couple of pink ones, because I think I can do 2 in each of my little finger dingers. These are secured. Oh my god. Lord have mercy. Anyways, a cabinet, a door, something's always open. I never know or understand why. Anyways, the stairs, oh my gosh. But I'm getting ready to go down and grab the like second half of my groceries to put them up really quick. So I actually got to go back out and run down the street and run a quick errand. So I'm gonna do that. So I'll hit y'all line. I'll hit y'all back up. Okay, before I leave, this is everything that I got. So we're going to be meal prepping later today. I'm not going to show you everything that I'm doing meal prepping, but I'll show you like a montage of it, because it just takes too long and I really want to stay on schedule. I really want to get done everything that I want to, but this is what we got. I love this little trio. So the Price Chopper does this thing, 5 packs for $9. So that as well as this I got for $10 basically. This was only a few bucks, and I've been loving cantaloupes, particularly in the morning, like right when I wake up, because it's so light for me, and but perfect to tell my metabolism like, yo, we about to start getting into it. We got to feed this girl's body so she can get thick, okay, period. So got this. We're gonna do some breakfast burritos. I realized I didn't grab any refried beans, but I might have some below, or some black beans will do. Some chicken, some turkey bacon. I'm gonna put the turkey bacon on the side, just a couple strips with my burrito. I'm loving this because aside from my pancakes, I shouldn't have to cook anything really this week. Got another smoothie mix, just because I have a lot of bags already, so I wanted to grab that. And we're doing like a chicken casserole type dish for my lunches this week. Grab some candles just to keep the house fresh. Actually, I have that candle over there and this one, and it smells so good, so I was like, let me grab this. And I love anything lemon all of a sudden, so I don't know what that is. It's just such a fresh smell. And I put these in my little warmers that I have, a couple in one in my bedroom and one in my living room. And then y'all know the edges got to stay right, so cotton balls and some soap. So that's pretty much all I got, so I'm gonna run my errand, but yay. So y'all, I'm actually, like I said, I'm taking this so serious. I mean it. Like, hop on the train, vibe with me, let's grow together. If anything, I'm not just showing you guys this for the hell of it, because I mean, I kind of am, but then like at the same time, I want somebody to pick up on the vibe. I want somebody to start growing and working on themselves, revamp themselves. Like, literally, that's the best word I can think about. Like, this video and my goal with prepping for the week and weeks to come is just like a revamp, because I feel like I've come to a point where I've plateaued. I'm complacent, like I'm lazy, but I'm getting stuff done at the same time. And it's just like I'm trying to make the bag, but I'm like not taking the bag serious.
That's suspicious.
So I'm like, hold up, let me pause, let me reset, let me refocus on these goals and everything. Anyways, I got my planner. I'm planning out the rest of my evening. I'm trying to, again, get out of the mindset that like the corporate mindset that Saturdays are made to be for resting, pausing, whatever the case may be. And that's just not how that is for my current life. And I want to take the time now to get this in order. So then like a Saturday, very soon, a future Saturday doesn't have to be so inundated with different things just to accomplish. Let me go save my electricity really quick. Phew, not me still being sore low key. Got me walking like Pawpaw. So fitness journey, I am going to revamp my fitness journey. I still aspire to gain weight, so being in a caloric surplus, bulk, whatever. No, I just want to take my time. I want to take maybe the time to actually understand like my body and my body type a little bit more, so I can like truly get the best out of my training, nutrition wise, workout wise, sleep wise as well. Just to give you guys a peep of that and what I'm working with. I came from kind of a bad season of my life last year, where I basically restarted my fitness journey again, but obviously quarantine and stuff like that, because you know the gyms wasn't open, so we was all kind of SOL. But on the point that the gyms opened back up, I was at 127 pounds. I was so unhappy and just like miserable. Otherwise, I'm Gucci, but I just really want to take things serious because I'm always talking about self-love and whatnot like that and stuff like look, whatever is in the back of my throat can leave. So I'm always talking about self-love. I'm always talking about what you put into the universe, you get out. And the same thing is for your body. What you put in your body is what you will get out, and what your body would like represent. Like, do you look nice and supple, or do you look dry and wrinkly? You know what I'm saying? Do you look hydrated, or do you look like a raisin? Like, we can't have that, okay? So here we are. I'm excited to restart my fitness journey. I'm gonna take the time later this evening and actually sit down and write out my workouts for the week. We're gonna revamp, we're gonna take it to the next level, because I know a lot of you guys want to do the same thing.
Montage.
So you guys just saw that I finished up on my meal preps, so everything is in the fridge ready to go, counted out through next Saturday, which I'll probably refresh some of the meals on the latter part of the week, just because like after a while it don't be that good. So I'll probably refresh definitely the chicken casserole dish that you guys saw me preparing, because that's super easy to make into something else and make super delicious. So just to keep up with my meals, I know you really can't see it, but on this little pad,
The back of your head is ridiculous.
all the meals that I'm going to be eating and consuming. So obviously, you know, we prepared my breakfast number 2, my lunch almost. I need to do the veg, but I like fresh vegetables, so I'll do that when I warm up the food. And then we also prepared my dinner, which was that pasta ravioli dish. So I'm super excited to like basically chow down on that, because I had that the other night and it was really good. I'm excited to see this new starting point for me in this new season. I need to like correct myself, because I feel like I'm not restarting my fitness journey. I'm just, I took a couple of days off, okay, and it was just a long time, you know, a couple months, and I'm not taking myself seriously, and I'm back. I'm ready to hit it. I'm ready to build like a strong, lean, healthy Tyra, and this is what it's about. So I'll catch you guys later to talk. finishing out this video, you guys, I just want to say thank you if you made it this far in the video. I'm excited for anybody who maybe subscribes to my channel or follows me on Instagram just to keep up with my revamp, taking things to the next level. I realized in order to really take things to the next level, because I felt like I've been in a plateau, very stagnant and complacent, to take things to the next level, you have to be willing to go to the next level. You have to be willing to take that step up, forward, whatever, to the next level, and whatever distance that step may be for you. Some people are still in the crawling phase, some people are just not learning to walk, you know, vibes. So I'm so excited. I wrote down, I got all my clothes together for the week predominantly. I have my workouts ready, set to go, so I'm so ready to kill some workouts, and I'm so excited to finally have my meal preps done, just to beat the like laziness factor and like beat yourself, because at the end of the game, life, I realize, is definitely mind over matter, and it's all mind games. It's in your head. Once you learn to control your emotions, control your mental state, as well as control the controllables, I promise life comes a lot simpler. That does not mean it's gonna be easier, but things come a lot more simply. So I don't know, having everything planned out definitely takes like makes my day, I should say, more mindless, as far as I already know what I'm gonna eat because that's done. I don't have to take the time to pause and clean or anything like that, cook to clean like I was doing the previous weeks, and it just wasn't working. This is all new to me because if you guys kind of, which I'll get into my story eventually on this channel, but I've been in corporate America essentially for the last, besides last year, the last 6 years from being in college. So I really didn't know or don't know anything outside, mentality wise, outside of an 8 to 5, a 9 to 5. So I was really stuck in that schedule and that structure, just to realize the last year for it to be so unstructured, with going and being stuck in quarantine, not being able to work. I just put all of my time and my energy into myself as a brand, my social media page, and this is where I have landed. So I don't know, it took a lot of falling apart, crumbles, literally last year was crumbles, to piece myself back together, to realize that I needed to actually find a productivity daily routine that is best for me on each said day, which does look different for me each day. I'm just trying to step it up on all levels, because at the end of the day, my goals aren't gonna come to me by themselves. I'm gonna have to obviously manifest those things, but manifesting still means to go out and do. So it's exactly what I'm gonna do. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm excited to do this revamp, and if you guys are looking to revamp with me, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I look forward to seeing and hearing more about you guys' journeys. Definitely on Instagram, if you hit me up, I'm pretty responsive over there. So let me know what you guys think. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.